hi guys. Right now I'm getting my protective style by my sister, my favorite hairstylist. Yeah, they're just box braids, especially for the winter, so I don't have to manipulate my hair much. And also because I'm in this hair challenge from one of these ladies, I don't know if you know it, Naturalistic Beauty, yes. And she has a hair challenge that I'm part of, and actually we have, I don't remember, 6 months of protective styling, and this is my protective styling. And as you see, my sister is just starting apart half of it, well, less than half of it, let's say 1/3, not 1/3, and I have to finish the rest, just like that.
Not 1/3, like, it's like 1/4.
1/4. Yeah, 1/4.
No, it's not 1/4. No, it's less. Not
1/4. Of course, yes.
It's one
half. If that's what you want. No. Because if it's not 1/3.
It's more,
2/3.
No, 2/3. Yeah, it can be 2/3.
Not 2/3.
Yeah, it's 2/3. It's like 66%.
So I only have to do 1/3?
Yeah.
What? You're doing less than that. Okay, so this is it. And I have different colors because I like colors. I don't like plain black braids. It's boring, and I don't like being boring because I get bored. So this is Zoe. I'm gonna keep them long, just like that. Just trim the ends a little bit, and they are not very thin, but also not too thick, because if they're thick, they're gonna be heavy. And I don't like heavy hair. So yeah, and then if you want a tutorial, you can check how my sister is doing the braids if you don't know how to install box braids. Now you can get this is a close-up how to do the braid, how to install the braids, box braids.
Your heart will break like mine. You will want me only after you've gone away, after you've gone, after you've gone, after you've gone, after you've gone away. After you've gone and left me crying, after you've gone, there's no denying you will feel.
Here you can see a close-up of the braids, how they look like.
Me's the greatest mama that you've ever had.
Yeah, colorful, bring life to my life, a little bit more of that. And this is how I finish the braids myself. I'll braid them all the way down because I love it when they are long. Yeah, I love long hair. I like long hair and I cannot lie. See?
After you've gone, there's no denying. You will feel blue, you will feel sad. You will miss the greatest mama that you ever had. There come a time, oh don't forget it. There come a time when you will regret it someday, when you grow lonely.
And this is the end, and this is what I'm gonna be trimming eventually. And we're almost done. We have been doing this since 8 in the morning. Okay, we started at 9 and now it's, what time is it now? 12:45. So we have like 9, 10,
around 3 hours, yeah, almost 4 hours.
Almost 4 hours, not much. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think it took us around, what, 5 hours? Less than 5 hours to finish it. I just put them in hot water so the ends wouldn't open. And then we'll trim a little bit on the ends. This is the length, how long it is, and the front. And the back. And I really love them. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Someday you'll see